Hello and welcome. I'm Shakshi Giri and you're watching TSW News. Let's take a look at the top headlines from India and around the world. iPhone 17 goes on sale in India starting 19 September. Chroma offers exchange bonuses, new points offer via Tata New app. Government relaxes price sticker rules ahead of GST regime change. Re-stickering unsold stock prior to September 22 made voluntary. Naveen Jindal's firm makes a €4 billion non-binding bid to acquire German steelmaker ThyssenKrupp, includes investment in green steel infrastructure in Oman. European Commission President says EU needs deal with India and others to reduce US dependence. India commits to trade pact within year. Instamart launches Quick India movement sale from 19 September with major discounts and fast delivery. Promos via bank or wallet offers. Punjab government orders flood affected mandis to be restored to full functionality by September 19 ahead of Kharif procurement. Piyush Goyal projects 6% export growth in 2025. India deemed on course towards a $30 trillion economy. India readies new policy playbook to help SME exporters access global markets. Inventory-based e-commerce exports under review. US bill under discussion to challenge Indian tech outsourcing model by imposing tax changes on foreign payments. Stock market today sensitivity rise third state session after US Fed rate cut. Indian markets gain on trade optimism. Breakout stocks. Sumit Bagadia recommends stocks such as Gen Technologies, Usha Martin, Hariom Pipe Industries, Hyundai Motor Co, HFCL. Vishali Parekh issues intraday stock tips. Sagility, Max Healthcare Institute, looping among names, sentiment positives as Nifty holds above levels. Relief for textile sector, various companies commit, rupees 23,410 crore investment expected to generate around 3 lakh jobs, boost imports. EU emphasizes reducing dependency on the US through border trade deals. India part of strategy. Naveen Jindal's green steel bid targeting ThyssenKrupp mark growing importance of low emission steel in Europe's industrial strategy. So that's all for now. These were today's top headlines. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to TSW News for more news from India and around the world. Thank you.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.